What is going on, YouTube? This is Gary Waller.
And this is Katie Waller.
Welcome back to Waller Life Vlogs. Today we're going to be talking to you about something called the GoWahoo Card. We mentioned it in a previous video, but now you're going to hear all about it and how it works.
So this GoWahoo Card, is you download it on iOS or Android, any of those devices will work. It allows you to go into the website to buy a package deal of either 3-day, 5-day, or 7-day. We decided to do, as a family, a 5-day package, which that package was $300-ish. $300 per person, right?
Sounds about right.
Yeah. And so what this GoWahoo package allows you to have access to is almost everything on the island of Oahu. We got to go to Pearl Harbor, which you guys will see in the Pearl Harbor video that we do. It's $80 to do everything at Pearl Harbor by itself if you were to do everything on it on your own. Whereas in this $300 package, you can do the GoWahoo Card or the GoWahoo package. Activities are all included. So you just take your phone out, you go to the GoWahoo, and you will see that little code that they scan, and then you get your tickets for everything. So also included is things like the Sea Life Adventure, where you can go to the water park where they actually filmed 50 First Dates. Now they also offer premium things. In our $300 package for the 5 days, we were only allowed one premium activity. So we decided as a family to do the dolphin encounter at the Sea Life Adventure. So we got to swim with dolphins, we got to play around with the dolphins, and that was our premium activity, which normally would have cost $149. So if you take $149, then you take $80, we're already at $240.
And that's only 2 of the activities that we did.
That's only 2, and there's tons and tons more. There's also a water park that you can go to. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I wouldn't necessarily go to a water park while I'm in Hawaii, but that's something that you could also do. Now,
it's in the sun, or it's out of the sun, and that way you don't have to, if you're sunburnt like we were.
Yeah. Here's the kicker. The very first day that you purchase this GoWahoo card and then have somebody scan it, it starts your time. So you can buy it on a Monday and then not use it until Wednesday. Well, your last day will be on Sunday, if that makes sense to you guys. So as soon as you scan your first activity, it starts running your clock. So you have 5 days to get the most out of that $300 that you spent. I personally think that if you put down on a schedule just 2 things that you really want to do for those 5 days, and you just do 2 things every single day, you're not going to overburden yourself, you're going to explore, you're going to have a lot of fun, and you're saving yourself a lot of money. I think that it really is a bang for your buck deal, and this is why we were able to do so many fun activities in Hawaii with such a little budget. It was really good. I really highly recommend this GoWahoo app and the GoWahoo package. We were there for 10 days, but we didn't want to be kind of locked into this GoWahoo thing for so many days, so that's why we didn't do the 7. So we did the 5, and I thought the 5 was perfect. It was $300 per person, and you got to do so many adventures.
I definitely agree. I think that it made our vacation even better.
Yeah. So this was a fun little video for you guys to show you guys a little bit about that GoWahoo app. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. Please subscribe. Hit that bell notification so that way you know when the next video is coming out. It really doesn't take a lot of effort from you guys, but we really appreciate it a lot. It helps us reach our goals to 1,000. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers, and we'd really appreciate your help.
As always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Go be awesome.